Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sorry you have been blocked on ChatGPT. So let's try to go on, and if you have any VPN, turn that off. Disconnect to any VPN, then you have to reload the page for multiple times. And once you are done reloading the page, you just have to wait for it. Then go on, tap that extensions. So tap more extensions and make sure that you will remove or disable all extensions on your browser. So remove everything. So let's try to remove this things on here. So I'll just not try it on my end, but you can try that and tap on the three dots. Go to your settings and go to privacy and security and make sure to clear your browser data. So you have to clear the cache and the other site data of all time. So tap clear data and hope that this will resolve the problem. Then we want to go to the tapping the three dots again on the upper right and tap on the new window in incognito. So this is the last resort that we can do to use ChatGPT in incognito mode. So hope that this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, everyone.